Hello, I'm Gordon Ritchie with Kollmorgen, and this is 2 Minutes of Motion. When going into the new version of Workbench for the first time, you will find some changes that might make you a bit confused. When first going into Workbench, you'll be asked to create a new project or open an existing one. When New Project is clicked, it will then ask you to add new device or add new group. Click on Add New Device and the axis you wish to add. In this example, I have added two axes called left drive and right drive. In Workbench, the different axes can be seen and selected in the device topology. As each axis is clicked, the tree for that axis will be displayed below. This will be helpful in eliminating confusion as you switch between axes. At this point, Workbench works much as it has in the past. Each drive can be set up, tuned, and parameter files saved off or parameter files loaded. Upon exiting Workbench, you'll be given the project name. You can then open the project the next time you open Workbench. After you've gone into the new version of Workbench and have had a chance to use it, you will quickly appreciate the changes. When working with multiple axes, the new version removes a lot of the confusion when switching between different drives. I'm Gordon Ritchie for 2 Minutes of Motion. Please join us in our next video.